What's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 DRV Mobile Suites 41 FKMB. FK stands for front kitchen, so let's take a look at this rig. If you find this video informative at all, please feel free to like and subscribe right now, okay? Look at this front right here. We got two places for storage. One would be right here where the generator would be, and then one with your batteries. These do have the springs, so you don't have to hold these up or latch them on to the top, which is a really, really nice feature. Coming on to this side, on this particular unit, you can see we got the basement down here. Nice pass through. It's also got the diamond plate on the bottom there, so you can put the heavy duty stuff in here if you want it. It's also got a light there on the top. This one's got a couple different slides on it, so let's go in and take a look at this front kitchen model. Got your solid steps as you go into the coach. And let's come on into here. So into the living room space, you got a couple places to entertain guests. You got a 3-couch seater right here, as well as a love seat right over there. These ones do recline as well, so it's maximum comfort in this one. And then this one also turns into a bed as well. This one's a trifold. So that one's really, really cool. As you can see, a big thing that I see in these mobile suites is the cabinetry. Just really, really nice throughout. They even all have magnet like latches that essentially make it easier to close and keep them closed. So look at this storage though. I mean, so much storage. There's not a lot in the basement, but there's a ton in here in the coach. Nice countertop right here. Even more space for storage on the top and bottom right there. Coming over to this side, you can see right here, we got, once again, the latches that keep on. So some people put some stickers on there just to kind of loosen the magnets up a little bit. But this place is a good place for storage as well as a washer and dryer. It also comes with 2 different complimentary chairs as well, which is a good use of space right there. Flipping to the side where all of the magic is going to happen entertainment-wise, you got this big, huge screen TV. Like, if you wanted to host a lot of guests, this is the place to do it. And you got that sound bar underneath, so you can have that premium sound and that illusion that it's just not even an illusion, it's actual real amazing sound as coming from your TV. As well as more storage space on the top there. This one does come with the wine guard, which essentially is a Wi-Fi extender. So if you're in an RV park and you want to make the most use of that signal, the wine guard amplifies that signal in order for you to get that Wi-Fi from the RV park or your Wi-Fi hotspot. Come on in to the front of the coach, which is a front kitchen, okay? Before we even go in there, this place right here is a place where all of your buttons are going to be hosted for your convenience, where you can seat the tanks. You also got the Truma system in here, so you can have hot water instantly, not just have to wait for about 30 minutes in order to do it. It's right then and there. You got hot water when you want it. And all as well as the lights and everything like that. They even put like the complimentary paint in there, so if you wanted to touch up anything in your interior, you can actually paint it yourself and go over that too. So that's really awesome. Okay, come into this front kitchen area. Right here, you got the solid surface countertops all around in the kitchen, okay? Corian, it's really high quality stuff, super heavy duty, but also really great and sleek looking. You got the 2 different chairs right there, so if you wanted to still be a part of the crew in the living room space, you can be. But look at this, it's got a big, huge island, nice residential sink. You got dual sinks here, so you got 2 of them, and it's stainless steel, really high quality stuff, guys. And you got the removable nozzle as well, which is really, really brilliant. And then on this side right here, on your right side, you got more windows to go ahead and look outside, and you have a lot of places for storage in this coach, which is really, really nice, and it just continues throughout the entire thing as well. Okay, and right here you got your all residential fridge. This looks a little skinnier and a little smaller, but hold on, look at this. Look how deep that is. That is a freaking big and deep refrigerator. Like I'm putting my whole arm in there. I know I look small, but man, that is really, really big. Honestly, probably one of the biggest and deepest fridges that I've seen. And you also got a freezer here with an ice maker as well. So it kind of gives you that motorhome feel, but still in a fifth wheel, which is really, really nice. You got the oven here, your kitchen essentials, as well as the microwave. Some storage on top here, which is really, really nifty. And if you look over here, you got the 3-burner stove cooktop just right over here, as well as the window on the other side, so you can actually just see outside. And more places for storage. Guys, there's a lot of places for storage in here, okay? So you're not going to be short of any storage in there. You also got this dishwasher here, which is nice, full-size dishwasher there. And then you also got this pantry, but you got to check this out. This is spacious, so when you're going on those long camping trips, or if you're full-time in this, it's really, really nice. You got a lot of space in the pantry. You even got a trash can right there, which you can obviously move to a different place. But guys, this has got a really nice motorhome feel, luxurious feel in the front kitchen model. But let's work our way towards the back into the bedroom. So let's check this out. Thing you're gonna notice on here is it's got this push down lever to where it'll actually lock the door in place. So if you wanted to keep it open, and then you just leave it right there and it stays in place, which is a really, really nice feature. Come on in. Take a look at this. Really, really awesome. King size bed. Honestly, the most comfortable unit. And it's got like his and her lights that are dimmable. And you also got some USB ports or even some 110 plugins for your CPAP machines, your iPhones, or any other electronic devices. More chances for storage at the top. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the place for storage, okay? If you're wanting to full-time in this, you got storage. It can hold everything that you need, okay? This also does have some storage on the bottom as well. And it's got the springs on there, so you don't have to hold it open or keep on muscling it up. It actually bears all of the weight for you, and even when you push it down. Really, really nice, convenient, simple, easy. You also got some storage right here for your wardrobe. Honestly, super, super beautiful with the TV right on the top. Look at that. I mean, no one's going to really complain about the maximum amount of storage in this unit, right? And you also got dimmable lights here as well. So if you wanted to turn them on or off, you can set it the mood however you want to. Last but not least, let's come into the bathroom here. Really, really nice sink. I love the way that they got this sink going. It looks very modern looking. And as well, it's got that mirror, obviously, and then a lot of chances for storage. Let me go ahead and switch places with you, Gary, so you can take a look in there. Nice size shower. It's square. It's even got the bench in there. So if you needed to sit down, you can. It's really, really beautiful. And especially while you have that Truma system that's going to give you instant hot water, this is going to be an awesome one. And this one's also got the bigger toilet right here, which is amazing, guys. And you can control the fan with the remotes on both the master bedroom as well as the bathroom. Guys, if you're looking for something maximum comfort, luxurious, got that motorhome feel, really, really nice cabinetry with a lot of space for storage, this is the one for you, okay? Give me a call. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. We'd love to talk to you, and happy camping.